Most people get this wrong when trying to earn more Fetch Rewards points. They focus on random purchases and hope their points balance grows quickly. Here's the truth no one tells you. The fastest way to earn Fetch Rewards points isn't spending more money. It's understanding how the platform rewards purchases and using a smarter strategy. In this video, you'll learn how to get Fetch Rewards points faster in 2026, the biggest mistakes users make, and practical methods that can help maximize your rewards without changing your normal shopping habits. Let's get straight into it. The first step is simple. Upload receipts consistently. Many users forget receipts or wait too long before scanning them. Every eligible receipt is a potential opportunity to earn points, so getting into the habit of scanning receipts shortly after shopping is one of the easiest ways to increase your earnings. For example, Alex shops multiple times each week but only uploads a few receipts each month. Jake uploads every eligible receipt as soon as possible. Over time, Jake naturally accumulates more points because he misses fewer opportunities. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Not all purchases earn rewards in the same way. Some promotions and featured products may offer additional points compared to standard purchases. Before shopping, it's worth checking available offers and promotions inside the app. This small habit can help you identify products that may provide higher rewards while still buying things you already need. But here's the problem. Most people ignore promotions completely. This is where most people fail. They scan receipts without paying attention to bonus opportunities, special campaigns, or featured products that could potentially increase their point earnings. In a minute, I'll show you the simplest habit that separates casual users from top point earners. Another strategy is staying active on the platform. Reward programs often introduce limited-time opportunities throughout the year. Users who regularly check the app are more likely to notice these promotions before they expire. For example, John opens Fetch Rewards only when he remembers. Sarah checks the app regularly and stays informed about new opportunities. As a result, Sarah is often able to take advantage of promotions that John never sees. Now here's where it gets even more important. Avoid buying products solely for points. This is one of the biggest mistakes people make. If you're spending extra money just to earn rewards, you're reducing the actual value you're getting from the program. The best approach is focusing on products and purchases you already planned to make. That way, the points become an added benefit instead of an excuse to spend more. The easiest habit to adopt is creating a simple routine. Check available promotions, shop normally, save your receipt, and upload it promptly. Let's quickly recap. That way. Upload every eligible receipt, review promotions regularly, stay active on the platform, take advantage of bonus opportunities when they match your shopping needs, and avoid unnecessary purchases. That's how to get Fetch Rewards points faster in 2026. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more rewards app tips and tutorials, and let us know in the comments what strategy has helped you earn the most Fetch Rewards points.